trip in the Netherlands continues, and this time we came to Rotterdam. You can easily reach it by train either from Amsterdam or The Hague, as in our case. Taking a train is worth not only because of comfort, but because you'll be directly at one of the must-visits in the city, the main train station. The building features a sleek, angular roof that points towards the city center, creating a dynamic and inviting entrance.
And we finally came to our last destination. What can I say? The city seems to be quite modern, and it's one of its most striking points that it combines this absolutely gorgeous modern architecture with some usual traditional classic style architecture. Here is the first landmark. It's actually the Central Station, but you can see how unusual it appears. We came from The Hague and we came out of the different side, not this main entrance. It appeared completely different from behind, so make sure to go around and take a look just to have an idea.
If you compare Rotterdam to other big cities in the Netherlands, you'll notice that it's pretty modern. The most significant reason is the extensive bombing of Rotterdam during World War II. Unlike some other cities that chose to rebuild their historic areas, Rotterdam opted for a more modern approach. After a nice meal, we went straight to the Cube Houses. Also, a usual Dutch train accompanied us throughout the day. The main concept was to create a forest of houses where each cube represents an abstract tree and together they form an urban forest.
And we came to this absolute must visit in Rotterdam, the Cube Houses. You've probably seen them because it's the most famous architecture structure in Rotterdam. What's unique about those houses? They are all tilted at 45 degrees and people actually live there. The main concept was to optimize space, and you can actually visit one of them. It's only €3 per person, and you can walk around and see how it's done. There is also a hostel, so if you're a backpacker and you don't require a private room, you can actually stay here and experience it yourself.
This idea was meant to create a sense of community and interaction among residents, with the houses interconnected and arranged around a central courtyard. I would advise you to go inside and experience it yourself. It was really interesting to see how furniture is arranged and so on. This is how quickly the weather can change in the Netherlands. 1 minute in trains and the second later it's all clear again. Right opposite the Cube Houses there is another architectural marvel of Rotterdam, the Market Hall. The building is shaped like a giant arch, creating a large covered public space. The building combines residential apartments with a market hall, making it an example of mixed-use architecture. One of the most striking features of the Market Hall is its massive interior artwork known as the Horn of Plenty. The digital mural covers the entire inner surface of the arch and depicts a colorful array of fruits, vegetables, grains, fish, and flowers. The artwork spans an area of 11,000 square meters, making it one of the largest art pieces in the world. Fun fact, the image was rendered by Pixar software in order to achieve the desired level of sharpness. The Central Hall houses a market with around 100 fresh food stalls where you can eat and drink. An outer wing of the building contains 228 apartments, many of which have windows that open into the market space below. And last but not least for today, the butt plug gnome, a well-known but a bit controversial piece of art right in the city center. Officially, it's still known as Santa Claus though. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.